Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here in this page. We'll go to Shein. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find the update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.